Hey everyone, welcome back to How to Wave. If shift clock isn't working in Roblox, here's how to fix it. First, make sure shift clock is enabled in the game settings. Open settings in Roblox, locate the shift clock switch option and set it to on. Note that shift clock doesn't work in games that disable it, so check with games creator to confirm its availability. Next, check your keyboard. Test the Shift key in other apps or games to ensure it's functioning. If it's unresponsive, try another keyboard or clean the current one to fix stuck keys. If problem persists, reset your Roblox controls, open settings controls, and click reset to default to fix any custom binding causing issues. Finally, update Roblox. Launch the Roblox app, let it download automatically or reinstall it from the official website if updates aren't working. Thank you for watching How to Web. If this helped, like, share, and subscribe for more tutorials.